Today we are going to study about the history of classification. Okay. Last week I told you to study this part. Can you remember? Okay, no worry. Let's see. History of classification. Can anyone tell me who was the first scientist to classify the organism scientifically? Put into the chat box. Okay, very good. Let's see one by one. First one is Aristotle. Aristotle divided organism into two parts. What are they? They are plants and animals. He divided organism into two parts. They are plants and animals. Again, he classified animals by using many criteria. What were the criteria he used? Tell me. Locomotion, reproduction. Last one is presence or absence of red blood cell. Okay, let's see about the Theophrastus. What are the things do you know about the Theophrastus?